Folds for easy storage and includes carry bag for when you're on the go. Package dimensions: 4.1 L x 4.1 W x 20.75 H. Has colorful character graphics throughout. Made with sturdy metal tubular construction. No assembly required. For kids ages 3+. Top reviews from the United States. Only thing. Love it. The only thing that is difficult is folding it back down. I always need something else to press the button, sometimes get pinched still. But, I understand that it's for the child's safety, which I love. Just wish it was a bit easier.